India's Vikram 1 mission marked a major milestone for private space startups. Which country joined India and the United States as the only countries where a private company has demonstrated independent orbital launch capability? Answer option A, China. According to the recently released Niti Aayog Investment Friendliness Index IFI 2026, which state emerged as the overall topper? Answer option D, Gujarat. During the recent visit of the Prime Minister, in which city was the foundation stone laid for a new Sikh museum? Answer option C, Kurukshetra, Haryana. Which iconic cricketer is associated with the Sir Garfield Sobers Trophy? Answer option A, Sir Garfield Sobers. The cabinet has approved NIPU 2026 to boost domestic manufacturing of which essential product? Answer option A, gas-based urea.